Namaste everyone and welcome to the new episode of Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, Breaking It Down. Today we are going to speak about a very pertinent question which is going to enter the Indian political discourse very soon. All of you have heard the news that from 1st May, the third phase of vaccination is going to start, where people who are above 18 years of age to 45 years of age can go and get themselves vaccinated also, along with 45 plus and all the frontline workers. Now the question is that whether these vaccines are going to be free, because 45 plus vaccines are already free. Some states have decided that these vaccines will be free. Some states are yet to take the decision. But the question remains whether these vaccines will really be free for the consumer and eventually for the economy. Because what do we mean by free vaccines? Does the manufacturer give it away just to the states that please take it for free? No. The manufacturer sells it to the states. The states put in their own money and they give free it to the citizens. So the state is buying the vaccination irrespective of whether they are giving it subsidized or affordable or free. State is going to buy the vaccine and it is going to be free for the citizens. Now when the state buys this vaccine, where does the money come from? The money comes from already existing treasury of the state government, which comes from loans, which comes from taxation money, which comes from different fees, credit lines, GST share, which comes under a taxation eventually. So that is their limited treasury. Now already this limited treasury is almost empty. It's not in empty, it's in deficit empty because of the tremendous expenditure that the state governments also had to incur in the COVID times. So now you are burdening the treasury with one more burden, which is free vaccination. The total cost of free vaccination, which has been calculated by one professor in TIS, and the link of the article will be given below, is going to be not less than 50,000 crores. 50,000 crores is a huge amount. Now, how is that going to impact the taxpayers and the consumers? And we are going to go into the pure economics or macroeconomy of the state. Now, because you're already in deficit, you're putting the state into more deficit. Where does the money come to meet these ends? It comes from borrowing. The state always has the first right on the credit in the market. Credit in the market is mostly consists of private and public sector lending units, which are banks and other lending units, NBFCs. So state has the first claim, especially on the public sector banks, and the remaining credit goes to the private players. What happens is when the state claims its first right and takes a large chunk of credit, the remaining credit, because it's so less, becomes very costly. Now when the credit goes costly, the manufacturing cost also increases for the private players, and eventually the consumer end also becomes a little costly, resulting into inflation. So because of this burdening of state treasury and then taking money out of public sector banks' pockets to meet your end, then loans become costly, and eventually everything, it's a cycle. So vaccines are going to come and bite the consumers in one way or the another. So the solution for this problem is not free vaccines, but affordable healthcare. Free vaccines is just a hollow political promise with very, very less application of economic knowledge. It's very lustrous political information and political announcement, but it has very, very less or almost zero sense of economics when it is going to affect the economy of the state and the union in coming years, and it is going to cost us very, very badly due to such small announcement that we will give this free, we will give that free. Why give it free? Give it in an affordable manner. Affordable healthcare, affordable food security. Everything should be affordable. Subsidized is fine, free is not. So that was all my analysis for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to share this information with your friends, your family, please do it. hit the share button and share it to all the WhatsApp groups, on Instagram, wherever you want to share it. And if you want to give us suggestions on the topic we have to analyze, please write it in the comment box. We will be more than happy to analyze topics of national and international importance and local importance also. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and we'll meet you in the next video of Breaking It Down. Thank you so much.